Welcome to This Week in Science, your fast weekly roundup of breakthroughs and discoveries. First up, researchers unveiled a new battery material that promises roughly double the lifetime and much faster charging for electric vehicles. Early tests show a solid electrolyte that reduces degradation and improves safety compared to liquid cells, enabling higher charge rates. In health news, a gene-editing approach restored vision in animal models, a step toward therapies for inherited blindness. Scientists used precise CRISPR edits to repair faulty photoreceptor genes and reported restored light sensitivity in treated subjects. Also this week, a satellite mapped microplastics in coastal waters, a new climate model updated forecasts, and an AI model designed novel proteins. Digging deeper into the battery story, the breakthrough centers on a ceramic-based solid electrolyte with exceptional ionic conductivity. Engineers say the material tolerates higher voltages and reduces dendrite growth, which is a major drain on battery lifespan. That means faster charging without compromising safety, potentially shortening EV charge pauses on long trips. On the renewable front, a startup revealed an efficient perovskite silicon tandem cell that boosted lab solar efficiency benchmarks. Researchers caution that stability and scaling remain challenges, but prototypes show promising degradation rates under accelerated tests. Finally, a fusion experiment recorded longer confinement times, edging closer to break-even energy output in short bursts. Back to the vision study, researchers performed targeted edits in the retina and saw restored responses to light in multiple behavioral tests. Ethicists emphasize caution as therapies move toward human trials, highlighting long-term monitoring and informed consent. In infectious disease, a broad-spectrum antiviral showed reduction in viral load across several lab models, signaling a potential new class of treatments. Meanwhile, microbiome studies linked changes in gut bacteria to improved metabolic markers after a targeted dietary intervention. And in computational biology, an AI model designed novel proteins that folded correctly in lab validation tests. Researchers say AI accelerates design cycles but emphasize wet lab validation remains essential to confirm function and safety. A new satellite instrument mapped microplastics in coastal waters, using spectral signatures to identify tiny particles from orbit. That dataset could transform cleanup efforts by pinpointing hotspots and guiding cleanup vessels more efficiently. On climate, updated models increased the projected frequency of extreme heat events in several major regions over the next decade. Scientists urge accelerated adaptation measures for vulnerable communities and continued emissions reductions to limit long-term damage. In marine science, reef restoration projects using microfragment techniques reported higher coral survival and faster growth rates. And out in space, a telescope found an exoplanet atmosphere rich in water vapor, improving our understanding of planetary formation. This week's theme, fast iteration across fields, materials, biology, climate and AI are moving quickly, but validation and ethics must keep pace. For viewers, 3 quick takeaways: 1. New materials could speed EV adoption. 2. Gene therapies show promise but need careful trials. 3. Satellites are improving pollution tracking. Quick science tip: follow primary sources and peer-reviewed summaries to separate early hype from replicable results. We'll link original papers and data in the episode notes so you can dig deeper into any story we covered today. If you enjoyed this roundup, hit subscribe for weekly episodes, and let us know which story you want covered in depth next week. Thanks for watching This Week in Science. See you next week for more discoveries and clear explanations.